Yo, chill real quick. Don't leave the video. Apologies for the crazy cell phone footage. So my camera died, but the rest of the video will be edited. But I did find the homeless guy. It is Christmas, December 25th. When you see this, it probably won't be Christmas, but I'm coming up on him right now. I'm gonna show you guys the guy, and we're gonna make this dude a six-figure person. So let's go. All right, so there you go right there, y'all. I'm gonna just go up to him. I'm gonna, talk to him and see if we can help him out, get on his feet, and make him six figures.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Yep, I know, shocking. I'm homeless, what can I say? And I already know right now what you're thinking. Somebody gonna be inside the comments section talking about,
Nah, if you homeless, who house you in right now?
Are people buying diplomas off Amazon?
however, that actually brings us to our first definition.
Crib. Now. Your place, fool.
And I ain't got no place. So, yeah, like I said, homeless. It is what it is. This place right here is actually my homie Pablo place. Who is Pablo, you might ask? Glad you asked. I'm gonna insert a video real quick, so.
Pablo is an entrepreneur, tattoo artist, and owner of Vibes Tattoo Shop. He's a really good dude that I met out here in Houston, and he's been looking out for me ever since. The only friend I really actually have here, and somebody I can call like a brother.
So yeah, that's that. Now, I already know the second question you're gonna be asking.
Me. Now, Mr. Plugman, I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but why would I listen to somebody that ain't got no money about money?
I'm gonna teach you how to make it.
Stupid.
Clearly. At least what I'm gonna be doing, the secret sauce, exactly what it takes. So as the title says, homeless to hustler, 0 to 100,000 in just this year alone. And the best reason why you should listen to me is because I'm gonna show you that me coming from this place right here, homeless, essentially, that you can do it too. That's why you clicked on this video. Because you and me, we're a lot alike. I was waking up going to a job that didn't care about me. I was going to sleep and waking up knowing that I got so much more to offer and that who I was working for didn't value me at all. That I was destined for way more things than just living paycheck to paycheck in some normal life. But enough about that. I don't want to talk about what I don't have. More importantly, I would much rather talk about what I do have. And I may not have no money, but
But what I do have are a very particular set of skills.
I'm Timmy Tarantino, also known as Timmy the Plug. I'm 31 years old, originally from Jacksonville, Florida. I moved to Houston, Texas about 2 years ago. It's my dream city and where I wanted to be, so that's where I went. I specialize in building brands and helping people live their dream. Also, I'm an aspiring rap artist.
I have a very particular skill set. Now, this is just mine personally. Everybody has a different set of skills that they can use in order to make this type of money. However, the good news is that a lot of these things that I'm talking about today, you can do as well. And I got a little secret for you. Make sure you stay until the end of the video so then you can find out what it is. So now I'm going to break down the 10 streams of income that I'm going to use personally to make 100K this year.
Income stream number 1, job. Target income, 42K.
I literally just talked about how jobs don't care about you. However, the thing about a job is we need one. Something got to pay the bills. I got to have some source of income, and you do too. So you can't just jump out there full-blown entrepreneur. You can, but that's a lot more risky than what I'm willing to actually give up, so I'm not really going to go with it. The main reason why this job is a lot different is because it's going to allow me a lot of different perks that's going to allow me to get to where I want to go with all of my other side hustles and open up a lot of mobility for me. So that's the main reason why I have this job right here. Not going to spend too much time on that one.
Income stream number 2, YouTube revenue. Target income, 50K to 100K.
Revenue number 2, YouTube revenue. Guys, you right there, you. Pay attention to this one right here. YouTube is going to be the biggest money maker for me this year. I want to thank you guys because you guys are going to help me achieve my dream. Thank you before we even get started, so I appreciate you. YouTube for me is going to be the catalyst to everything else that I want to do. The centralized figure that's going to pull everything together and which is going to tie into all of these other streams of income and make me the most money.
Income stream number 3, brand deals. Target income, 25K.
Income stream number 3, Boom. Like I said, YouTube is going to tie into a lot of things that I want to do. By doing YouTube, it's going to allow me to get brand deals. Brand deals typically range anywhere from a couple $100s to thousands of dollars. And the good thing about it is you don't even have to be a super big YouTuber to get brand deals. There's a lot of YouTubers with a couple thousand subscribers that actually get brand deals and they make a whole living off of that.
Income stream number 4, affiliate marketing. Target income, 10K.
Income stream number 4, affiliate marketing. See a pattern yet? Affiliate marketing is when one of the YouTubers usually says something like, hey, and also there's a link down below so you can go ahead and use that link and get a couple of dollars off. This not only will bring in revenue for me, it will bring in revenue for you guys too, because then you get a discount on the things that I'm using, a product that I believe in and is helpful, and the company that you guys are using is making money too. It's a win-win for everybody.
Income stream number 5, music streams. Target income, 20K to 40K.
So moving on, income stream number 5, music stream. Did I mention I was a rapper? Of course I'm a rapper. But nah, for real. So this one is kind of unique to me for myself. As an artist, you may not make a lot of money unless you properly build your brand and know how to monetize. But between YouTube and my other sources of income, I'm going to be generating a good amount of revenue to be able to properly promote my music and become the artist that I want to be. If you do want to check out some of my older music, I will leave a link inside the description. Shoot, I like it. I don't know about y'all. And let me know what you think about it. Who knows? You might even be a fan.
Income stream number 6, music features. Target income, 20K to 40K.
Income stream number 6, music features. So this income stream ties into the other income stream. Once I become a bigger artist, start blowing up, then other artists are going to want to work with me, especially local artists inside the area. Since my platform will be bigger, I'll be adding value to that artist by giving them more visibility, credibility, and plus, you know, I'm going to get them, boy, you know what I'm saying, some hot 16, so you already know what time it is on that.
Income stream number 7, clothing and merchandise. Target income, 25K.
Income stream number 7, clothing and merchandise. I mean, realistically, I save money on clothes because I will be wearing my own. So between merchandise for my music, I'm also going to be starting a clothing brand for people that can live a lifestyle like us. By the way, let me pause for a second since we're right here. I'm going to be breaking down all these things in this channel so we can go back and look at it and see exactly how I'm making this money. That's why I made the channel so then you guys can follow along on my journey and see how I'll be making this money specifically in these breakdown videos. Just hold on, we'll get there.
Income stream number 8, graphics, videography, and photography. Target income, 25K.
Income stream number 8. You looking at it? No, seriously, you're looking at it. Like I told you, I do video. I do photography, videography, graphic design, build brands. That's what I do best. That's been what's keeping me afloat right now through all these hard times. Actually using my camera and my natural talent so then I can go ahead and generate revenue.
Income stream number 9, Patreon. Target income, 10K.
Income stream number 9, Patreon. Patreon, this one, I'll be honest, I'm not so sure how I'm going to incorporate it into my ecosystem. But what Patreon is, it's a place where you can pretty much gather fans of your brand and they'll pay monthly so then they can actually get your content or something else that you're selling. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to actually incorporate that into what I'm doing so far, but it is on the horizon and another stream of income I plan on making money with.
Income stream number 10, Etsy store. Target income, 20K.
I saved one of the best for last, baby. Etsy. So for me, this would be a great opportunity for passive income. The graphic design that I'm already doing and just art in general, I'm going to put on Etsy and let it sell itself. Alright, so we made it through those 10 income streams right there. If you made it to this far inside the video, I want to thank you, and I do have a secret. I haven't been totally honest with you guys. Remember at the beginning of the video when I said 6 figures? Well, the thing about it is I didn't mean just 100,000. When you add up all these totals, it actually amounts to
$237,000. And mind you, that's on the low end.
I know that for me, I can go ahead and get those numbers and hit those numbers. So yeah, but it's very obtainable. So secret number 2 is you found it. This is the very first YouTube video of this channel. So this is something that you can look back on and see exactly what I did in my journey to this 6-figure income. Although I don't have it now, I know that I will have it because I'm putting in the work for not only myself, but you guys as well. So through me, you'll see exactly how it is to go from $0 to $100,000. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you like the video, subscribe so that I can keep growing and you can follow my journey. And if you want to dive deeper into my personal story or how I got to this point I got homeless, you can check out this video right here. But alright, street scholars, I'll holla.